Goal with this activity is to work on your upper body power with an eccentric emphasis. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need either 2 blocks or 2 plates. You're actually going to start on the inside of those. You want to get in a push-up position. So for that, I'm going to look maybe a couple feet ahead, silent in through the nose. Exhale. Slowly push your chest away without crunching, making sure the hands stay flat. Once you're there, you're going to get into a push-up position with the knees straight. If this is a tough position for you, you can go with a slight knee bend as well. Once you're in that position, what you're going to do is you're going to quickly dip down and explode in the air. But here's where it gets different. When you do that landing from that initial push, you're going to land on the blocks. So you'll actually go a little bit lower than you typically would on a plyo push-up, whereas I might only go like that. With this variation, it's going to be that. And then you'll just restart. Quick dip, stick the landing on the eccentric. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.